Welcome to the dynamic world of wealth creation, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Today, we're diving into the heart of financial opportunity, the stock market. In this video, I'll cover the basics, from what the stock market is to how you can buy stocks and invest. Whether you're new to investing or just need a refresher, it's not just a marketplace. It's a pulsating entity where dreams take flight and risks turn into rewards. But how can you, the individual, navigate this realm and not just survive, but thrive? Stick around as we unravel the secrets of earning from the stock market, transforming uncertainty into prosperity. 7 steps to start earning from the stock market. Number 1. Education is your power. Dive into the basics of the stock market. Understand terms like stocks, indices, and dividends. Equip yourself with knowledge about different investment strategies and risk management. Number 2. Define your goals and risk tolerance. Clarify your financial goals, whether it's short-term gains, long-term growth, or dividend income. Assess your risk tolerance. Are you a bold risk taker or a more conservative investor? Number 3. Set up a brokerage account. Choose a reliable brokerage platform that aligns with your goals and offers user-friendly tools. Fund your account and get familiar with the trading interface. Number 4. Research and select stocks. Dive into research on companies. Consider financial health, market trends, and growth potential. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and increase potential returns. Number 5. Stay informed and updated. Keep a keen eye on financial news, market trends, and global events that may impact stocks. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on new information and changing market conditions. Number 6. Start small and gradually increase exposure. Begin with a small investment to gain hands-on experience without significant risk. As you become more confident, consider increasing your investment amount. Number 7. Embrace a long-term mindset. Patience is key. Successful investing often involves holding on to stocks through market fluctuations. Reinvest dividends and focus on the long-term growth potential of your portfolio. In the stock market, knowledge is indeed power. By understanding the market, defining your goals, and making informed decisions, you're not just investing. You're shaping your financial destiny. Remember, the stock market is a journey, not a destination. Choosing a platform to buy stocks depends on your preferences, needs, and the features that matter most to you. Here are a few popular platforms known for their user-friendly interfaces and diverse offerings. Number 1. Robinhood. Number 2. E-Trade. Number 3. Fidelity. Number 4. TD Ameritrade. Number 5. Charles Schwab. Number 6. Webull. Number 7. Interactive Brokers. Before choosing a platform, consider the following factors. Fees and commissions. Some platforms charge fees for certain transactions or services. Look for platforms with low or no commissions if you prefer cost-effective options. User-friendly interface. If you're a beginner, you might appreciate a platform with a straightforward and intuitive interface. Research tools. Depending on your level of expertise, you might want access to extensive research tools, market analysis, and educational resources. Mobile app. If you prefer managing your investments on the go, check if the platform offers a user-friendly mobile app. Customer support. Good customer service can be crucial, especially if you encounter any issues or have questions about the platform. Remember to review each platform's features and fees to find the one that aligns best with your investment goals and preferences. How to buy stocks on Robinhood. Number 1. Create an account. Download the Robinhood app and sign up for an account. Provide the required information and link your bank account to fund your trades. Number 2. Explore the app. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface. You'll find tabs for watch list, stocks, and account, among others. Number 3. Search for a stock. Use the search function to find the stock you want to buy. You can search by the company name or its stock symbol. Number 4. Tap on the stock. Once you've found the stock you want, tap on it to view its details, including the current price, historical performance, and related news. Number 5. Place an order. Click on the Trade or Buy button. Choose between a market order, buy at the current market price, or a limit order. Set a specific price at which you want to buy. Number 6. Specify quantity. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase. The app will display the estimated total cost based on the current market price. Number 7. Review and confirm. Review your order details, including the number of shares and total cost. Confirm that everything looks right before proceeding. Number 8. Place order. If you're satisfied with the details, click Review and then Submit to place your order. Number 9. Monitor your investment. Track your investment's performance through the app. You can view your holdings, monitor price changes, and check overall portfolio performance. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting expedition together. Now, let's turn the tables and make your money work for you.